Hi, welcome to Beagle. Today I'm going to show you a completed Beagle map and then walk you through the steps of creating your own Beagle map and adding questions and content to it. This is my maps menu and it has all the different maps that I'm a part of. I can click into one of these maps by selecting it, and in this case this is a thesis project that I completed during my undergrad, and it shows the evolution of my thesis project over time and the different content and questions that I had as I was thinking through the material. If I want to navigate back to my maps menu, I can do so by clicking on the back button in the header, and I can click into a new map. This one, how to make a good cup of coffee, I created for this demo. And I have a section inside of the map titled What is Coffee? And then a card inside of that section with the same title. If I click into the card, I can see the content and I can see some questions that I asked in response to this content. If I want to start building out my map, I can hover over one of these questions and click Answer, which will bring the question into the map and then prompt me to answer it in the form of a new card. So this question, what are the different ways coffee is brewed today? I found a link to an article which is a coffee roaster's guide to creating different blends. And I think that's pretty relevant. So I can copy the URL and I can paste it into the description. And what that'll do is create a thumbnail for that link, which I can use to navigate to that article. And it'll attach a thumbnail icon to the card. I can also attach files by clicking the plus button here and selecting a file from my computer, which I'll do, and then that file will begin to upload. If I want to ask a new question, there's a question input field in the right-hand side of my screen where I can click into and ask a new question. Are some coffee blends more popular than others? Clicking enter or submit will add this question to the question list, and then I can repeat that process of answering the question to add it to the map. Once I have done that, I can start to rearrange my content. I can expand sections by clicking on the border of a section and dragging, and I can move content around by dragging and dropping. If I want to create a new section, I can find an empty part of the map and then click on it to create that new section. And then if I want to create new cards within that section, I can click on the background of the section, and that'll bring up a new card menu where I can repeat the process of adding my content and then asking questions in relation to that content. If you do this enough times, you'll get a visual diagram of your content and your thought process associated with that content. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck beagling. Have a good day.